Today, we're stopping at one of our favorite places in the Lower Peninsula, Ocqueoc Falls. We're usually out fishing somewhere in Michigan, but today we decided to slow things down and revisit a spot that never gets old. From the sound of the water to the quiet of the forest, this place pulls you in the moment you arrive. Ocqueoc Falls is located near Millersburg, Michigan, in Presque Isle County. And if you're not from the area, most people say Presque Isle, but locals will tell you it's actually pronounced Presque Isle. This area sits inside the Mackinac State Forest, surrounded by quiet woods and flowing water. From the parking area, it's just a short, easy walk down to the falls. The path is wide, smooth, and gently graded, making the journey just as enjoyable as the destination itself. What makes Ocqueoc Falls so special is that it's the largest and only named waterfall in Michigan's Lower Peninsula and one of the most accessible waterfalls anywhere in the country. There is a beautiful access point to view the falls when you walk in, which, as you just seen, many are enjoying their view from above. But if you're just like us and feeling adventurous, you'll want to get a little bit closer for the full experience. To do that, just watch your step as you step down limestone and be mindful because it can get slippery. The Akiak River drops about 5 feet, carving through limestone before continuing its journey towards Lake Huron. The river twists and bends through the rocks, which fits perfectly because the name Akiak is believed to mean crooked waters. Before getting too close, it's important to talk about water safety. The water here can move quickly, especially during the spring or after rain, and the rocks around the falls are very slippery. Children should be supervised at all times, and even adults should take their time and watch their footing. This is a place to enjoy slowly and respectfully. The trails that follow the river wind through the forest and open up to peaceful views that feel far removed from everyday noise. It's the kind of place where you slow down without even realizing it, listening to the water, the wind, and the forest around you. For families, Akiak Falls is one of those rare places where kids can explore, adults can relax, and everyone leaves feeling like they found something special together. Akiak Falls isn't about massive drops or big crowds. It's about access, simplicity, and connection to nature. So, if you're exploring northern Michigan or just looking for a place that reminds you why this state is so special, Akiak Falls is absolutely worth the stop. Take care.